Okay, you're gonna have to face me because it's not wanting to film right because of this thing. But I am on my way, folks, to go pick up a baby bird, and I'll give you the backstory. There was a lady in the village. I guess she used to breed Quakers. She's come ill, and they found homes for all of the birds, but one baby that still has to be hand fed, and they just don't want to try to find a home for it until it's weaned. They're not sure how to do it, so I don't know the condition of the bird. I have the contracts. Oh. Okay, this is not going to be the best filming. So the deal is this. I'm making them sign a contract. I don't want to get stuck with the bird. While I'm hand feeding, they will be trying to find a home for it. We do know it is a female, so I will not be naming it. I gave it 30 days. I should have it weaned by then. It's only on 1 or 2 feedings a day. I'm charging them $300 to hand feed it. Failure to pay me at the end of 30 days, they forfeit the bird. The bird becomes mine in payment of hand feeding it. They have 30 days to try to find a home. Should they decide to basically ignore me, basically dump the bird on me, the bird becomes mine. They can't come back later and try to claim the bird. At the end of 30 days, if they don't come get the bird is mine. I learned this years ago when I was supposed to watch some dogs that got abandoned me. It was a mess. In any case, that's what we're heading down to do. I do have a separate cage. It will not be in the same room as Houdini. First of all, it's a new bird. There are no avian vets around here. And so I don't want to take the risk. So it'll be in quarantine for 30 days, which should be done, period. So I'm on my way. I'm going by Petco or stuff. I gotta get the formula. I got the tools. I just gotta get the formula, and I gotta pick up some feed for him and her and Houdini anyways. And I won't buy it off of Walmart because it's just not the right kind. It's just food. I do have food that I cook, which I'll be doing when I get home. It's simple. You just put so much water, just so much of that stuff, and it's dehydrated vegetables and what have you. Because my understanding, it's eating millet, which is a treat. Yeah. These people don't know birds. Kind of the reason why I'm rescuing it. So we'll see. And I'm going to let you go right now because the filming isn't that great. I will be picking it up later.